Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a compression router using the iGrind software. Compression routers are predominantly used in the cutting and machining of composite materials and materials such as melamine chipboard used in the woodworking industry. So, Anchors are the market leader in compression routers and the grinding of compression routers on our tool and cutter grinding machines, and have dedicated software for this purpose. So if I just go File, New, Tool Type, Compression Router, and there you have it. It's created a 2-flute compression router, 10mm diameter, immediately. Now, this has been created using a standard 1A1, 1V1 and 11V9 cut wheel. If the customers that are making compression routers have a range of compression routers or a portfolio of different size compression routers they want to make, we've also got a very nice feature called a scale tool, where I just go Tool, Scale, and I can create a 2-flute compression router in a different diameter. So if I just go change that to 16mm, and as you can see, it's immediately created a 2-flute compression router, 16mm diameter.